this is by far the best place to buy land in Kenya. You see, currently everyone wants to invest in land in Nairobi, but most people give up too easily because they think either land is too expensive, too far away, or too risky. But what if I told you there's an area in Nairobi that is changing that narrative? And here are the reasons why Kangudo Road, and talking about Kangudo Road, I'm talking about areas like Joska, Malaa, Kamulu, Mutalia, Kantafu. These are areas that are catching every smart investor's eye. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you must do to take advantage of this. Because I'm actually very surprised that not many people are taking advantage of land being very, very affordable along Kangudo Road. In many places along Kangudo Road, places that are already developed, land is going for as little as 500 Kenya shillings. And with companies like ourselves offering up to 12 months payment plan, this is a dream chance for you. But just because land is affordable, I know doesn't make it ideal for you. Affordability is one thing, but there are so many other factors that you are probably considering. And if access is one of them, then we have you covered. You see, on Kangudo Road connects directly to Nairobi and touches key routes like Mombasa Road, Thika Road, and the bypass. Additionally, the expansion of Kangudo Road will make this place a gold mine for real estate investors. And think with this expansion, there are better roads, more public transport, and smoother access to Nairobi CBD. But proximity to CBD and having a good road network just tells half the story. What makes Kangudo Road even more strategic, it's what I'm about to tell you next. Everywhere you turn along Kangudo Road, there's construction. You see, a lot of people who have bought land here are starting construction. So there are so many homes coming up, a lot of churches, a lot of shops, and even high-end schools coming up in the area. This kind of growth sounds exciting, but it also creates pressure. Pressure that drives property prices up, and it also drives demand through the roof. When demand goes high, this means the longer you wait to buy, the harder it gets to afford a plot of land in this area. Once more people get to know of these low prices, the word affordable won't stick around for a long time. So what's holding you back from getting a piece of land along Kangudo Road? Call us on 0726 982 982, and if that's not it for you, please head over to our website property254.co.ke and start searching for your next property there.